Lenovo has 3 new models in the IdeaPad line to be launched later this month: the IdeaPad 330, the IdeaPad 330S and the IdeaPad 530S, all of which come in a variety of screen sizes and configurations. The IdeaPad 330 is the most economical model, starting at $249.99 for the 15-inch base model. Of course, the price will depend on tons of factors here, such as the screen size 14 inches, 15 inches or 17 inches, the internal specifications from, say, low power consumption of Intel Celeron dual-core and 4000 up to the last eighth of Intel Core i7-8750H processor and discrete Nvidia GTX 1050 GPU, and options for extras such as touch screens, fingerprint reader and a DVD drive, if desired. The 330S is a step forward in that it offers real IPS screens, a slimmer design and a partially aluminum construction, but also reaches a maximum on an Intel Core i7 processor and a discrete Nvidia GTX 1050 GPU for the high-end model. It also comes in 14-inch and 15-inch models, starting at $449.99 for the basic kit. Finally, there is the IdeaPad 530S, which like the 330S also comes in 14-inch and 15-inch models. Unlike its cheaper brothers, the 530S has an aluminum structure, and a choice between a 1080p screen and a QHD option of 2560x1440 higher resolution. It is only shipped with Intel Core 8th Gen processors and SSD storage, with an option between Nvidia MX130 or MX150 discrete graphics. However, the 530S costs $799.99, making it a more expensive option.